Hello, in front of me I've got SkullCandy Sesh. In this video I'll show you gestures of your earbuds. Firstly, let's start with pairing mode. To enter pairing mode, press once on either earbud and then on second press and hold for 1 second. Then, to play and pause, press 1 on either earbud. To change volume, press twice on right earbud to increase or twice on left earbud to decrease volume. To skip forward, on the right earbud, press and hold for 1 second. To skip backwards, on the left earbud, press and hold for 1 second. To activate voice assistant, on either earbud, press 3 times. To enable or disable noise cancelling, press and hold for 3 seconds on either earbud. To enable stereo mode, press and hold for 3 seconds on either earbud. Next, to synchronize earbuds, press 3 times on each earbud. And in the end, to reset your earbuds, press and hold for 3 times for 3 seconds on each earbud while they are not connected to any device. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.